Watch as our POSC hen and her 10-day-old chicks enjoy their meal, completely at ease, until I make a fake cat sound. Instantly, they run back to their room, surprising us all with how sharp these tiny babies are. Their instincts are already so strong at such a young age. A moment you won't want to miss.
Meow.